If you're thinking about selling your home and thinking about doing some home renovations before you put your home on the market, you're probably asking yourself, is it even worth it, right? In this video, we're gonna find out together. Before we jump into this video, I want to tell you that I am a realtor here in Las Vegas, and I do help my clients buy and sell real estate. If they're a buyer, I help them renovate the home before they move in. If they're a seller, I help them renovate their home before they sell. Let's jump into it. Also, if you enjoy watching these videos, please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna keep videos coming twice a week. Make sure to leave comments, any questions you may have. I replied to every single comment. Let's jump into the video. What are the questions you should be asking yourself before taking on a home renovation project? First question is your home move-in ready, right? A lot of home buyers out there want to purchase a home that's pretty much move-in ready, right? Paint looks good, carpet, flooring looks good. There's no issues to repair. So is your home move-in ready? Yes or no? If the answer is no, what makes it not move-in ready? It can be old carpet. Maybe you have pets, cats, that the carpet smells or is just really filthy. Then that's the first thing you have to repair or remove. The interior paint needs to be clean looking. If it's not clean, sometimes you can actually wipe your walls down depending on what kind of paint you have. Semi-gloss paint is very easy to wipe down the dirt, but if you don't have semi-gloss, you might need to paint. But if the answer is yes, your home is pretty much move-in ready, then there's no need to replace the carpet or repaint the whole house a different color. That's not gonna increase the value very much, so don't worry about replacing those things. As long as your home is semi-move-in ready, somebody can just come in, bring in their furniture, and start living in the home. Second question is, what's your budget? If your home is not move-in ready and you do need to make some renovations, what is gonna be your budget? Do you have enough money available to do this? Should you pull out money from a personal loan? Should you refinance your house to pull some cash out? And the answer to those questions is no. If you don't have the money already in your bank account ready to go, I do not recommend getting a personal loan or pulling money out of your equity, things like that. You're just gonna put yourself more in debt and your profits are gonna be slimmer when you sell the home. If your property is a distressed property and it needs a lot of home renovations, then you have to look into working with an investor that will offer you cash for the home, pay for all the fees, and you don't have to worry about fixing the home up at all. You can leave it in as-is conditions. This is something that you can also ask me about. I do work with investors that buy homes cash and can get you top dollar for your home. The most important question you have to ask yourself is, what is your time frame? If you need to sell the home and go to a different state for a job opportunity, then you do not have time to do renovations at your house. So you're gonna have to sell your home as is and try to get top dollar in the current market that you're in. But if you don't have a time frame, you do have a few months to spare, then you can look into the option of doing home renovations. The next question you have to ask yourself is, what's your budget? How much money do you have available in your bank account right now to do these home renovations? I recommend to at least have $3,000 to $5,000 to do these renovations. You don't want to spend too much money because it's not going to bring up the value as much as you think, and it defeats the purpose of doing these home renovations. Keep in mind that when you start doing home renovations, other things might come up that you have to address and repair, and you might go over your budget a little bit. So get with the professional before you start any home renovation. Get the proper quotes up front to set up a solid budget so you don't have to overspend. I am a realtor here in Las Vegas. I help my buyers and sellers do home renovations before or after their purchase. So get with me if you would like a game plan and go over your options. So wait, before you make the decision to go out and start a home renovation and start buying materials, you need to contact a professional, someone that's done this before, to give you second opinions, to evaluate your situation, to make sure that it does make sense for you to go through with this investment of renovating your home before you sell. I've had cases where I met people that started their home renovations, they had a budget in place, and then slowly but surely started going over their budget and did not have enough money to complete it. Now half their home has no flooring. Now they can't sell it on the MLS because in order for you to sell your home on the MLS, they need to have flooring completely done so the loan can approve that purchase. So they were in a hard spot and had to sell the home to an investor for cash. And I don't want you guys to put yourself in that position just from watching YouTube videos and trying to figure out what the best way is to do a home renovation. I have my number below. Even if you don't call me, call someone that you trust that has done this before, and it will save you a huge headache. All right, so let's get back to the question. I know this is why you're here. Are home renovations worth it? And the answer is yes, it's worth it if you're doing it for your enjoyment, because you plan on staying in the home for the next 5 to 7 years. You and your family can enjoy a nice brand new kitchen, brand new home to live in. Yes, it's worth it. For example, I recently went through a home renovation. I plan on staying at my house for another 5 to 7 years at least. So me and my family got together, picked out our favorite colors, and went through and completely did our house. So it was worth it for us. Another thing to consider is if you're gonna do a home renovation to get top dollar for your home, you gotta make sure you get together with a professional that can help you manage and budget for this project. And at the end of the day, it will be worth it for you. If you're a seller, this is the recipe you need to understand if home renovations are right for you. You need to have contacted 2 or 3 contractors to give you quotes. You need to have the right time frame to get the project done. You gotta have the budget ready to go and the right team by your side to manage this whole project. So at this point, if you check all those boxes, then it is gonna be worth it for you. The answer is yes. You will get top dollar for your property without overspending. So hopefully you guys learned something in this video. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. We have more content coming, so stay tuned. Thank you.